Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing more live trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below. So right now I'm currently looking at Apple, and I'm trying to kind of look through the different time frames to determine what stock I may be interested in trading this morning. I think I'm going to go with Apple, but we'll just have to wait and see how the price action unfolds at the opening bell. So the market is now open, and I am still looking at Apple here. So I'm just going to wait for the ideal setup, and then I will look to take a position. So I am now in the trade. I bought 4 put contracts at $1. So let's see if the price of Apple can continue to decline. Alright, so I have sold 3 of the 4 contracts here. I have 1 contract left, and you can see here I'm up just over 50% here in just about 30 minutes, so not too bad overall. I'm going to look to sell this final contract and call it a day. I am now all out of the trade here, so I ended up making a $208 gain in just about 30 minutes, so not a bad trade. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below. Also, if you're brand new to the stock market, be sure to check out my free Trading Essentials video lesson series. It's located in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.